Hey, how you doing? Austin here. I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is for entertainment purposes only. Dogecoin. Oh, my God. Guys, I did a video last night at midnight. It was a technical analysis video. I talked about how we were presenting a nice pennant, and I showed that, did some technical analysis, talked about everything. I'm going to show you that technical analysis, and the opposite happened. We dropped, as I know you guys are aware. Frankly, cards on the table, guys. This is when a lot of YouTubers don't put up videos because when everything's down, they don't want to talk about it. I do. I want to talk about it. I want to be right here front and center for you because this is when we need to be having more and more discussions related to what's going on. Guys, the overall crypto market is down. There's a lot of media out about, Bitcoin crashing towards 30,000, Ethereum's down, everything is horrible and the sky is falling. So we're going to have a conversation about the overall market and especially Dogecoin, and I'm going to show you my beautiful technical analysis chart and how it all went to hell. That's what we're going to talk about. Here we go. So as you can see, Doge is trading at 31 cents. It's down 7.3%. In the last 24 hours, it has touched 30 cents and a high of 34 cents. Okay, so right now we're towards the bottom end of that spectrum. In the last 7 days, looking real quickly here, we are headed down. And I'll show you my technical analysis chart in just a minute, okay? Here's the thing. Let's look specifically here, and I haven't looked here. That's pretty cool. Look at this, 3 minutes ago. Elon Musk and Mark Cuban are pushing Dogecoin for payments, and BitPay data backs them up. Dogecoin has ballooned nearly 13% of BitPay's transaction volume and its fourth most popular payment option. Yay! Oh, okay. I talked about this last night. Social media firm Hello Pal acquires Dogecoin mining outfit for $3.5 million. Yay! Okay. This little you sense the comedic scenario coming into play, right? Okay. Here's the thing, guys. Look, if I'm going to refresh this. So here's our problem. This column right here, 24 hours. Oh, yeah, no, I don't want to do that. Sorry about that. What am I doing here? 1 hour. Oh, I've already messed it up. Okay, let's just refresh. There we go. It's a morning, and I've got my coffee right here, by the way. Okay, so look, 24 hours, 7.5 down, 8.4, Binance 11, Cardano down 10, XRP down 12, ICP down 13, Chainlink down 14, Litecoin down 11, Stellar down 10, Solana down 10. All of this stuff is happening, okay? The entire market is down. Are we crashing? I don't think so. There's a very interesting video that I'm going to link to in the bottom. Okay, it's from Coin Bureau here on YouTube. If you haven't ever looked at Coin Bureau, watched his stuff, he is absolutely freaking amazing. And it's a video talking about the Wyckoff method and whales and market manipulation. I'm going to link to that in the notes section below. I want you to go watch the video. It's about 20 minutes long. I'm going to tell you straight up. But it is one of the most interesting videos that you could ever watch explaining the Wyckoff method, market manipulation, all this kind of stuff, whales, market manipulation, etc. You need to watch that, okay? And I don't usually link to other videos on my channel, but I watched that video yesterday, and I've been around stocks for 30 years. I've been around crypto now for a little bit here, and that opened my eyes to some pretty significant scenarios. You need to go check it out. And anyway, there you go. And anyway, go check him out. And by the way, subscribe to his channel. He's amazing. Every piece of content he puts out from the Coin Bureau is totally awesome and cool. Okay, so look here, guys. Look at this. I mean, you've got major media, Forbes coming out. Bitcoin crashes towards 30,000 as Ethereum, Binance is BNB, blah, blah, blah. There's everything news is just, let's view this all. Everything about news is just not really that great, okay? It's just not particularly great right now. And if you look at Bitcoin, now look, we're at 36,000. Would you say that Bitcoin is, quote, crashing towards 30,000? I would not. This is the kind of crap that irritates me, frankly pisses me off. You can see I'm a little fired up about this because this is the kind of crap that makes people sell off their stuff. By the way, that video that I linked to below specifically talks about how the media feeds into this, and there could be this kind of market manipulation going in. Am I talking about some overall huge big conspiracy? No, that's not what I'm talking about. Again, go watch the video. But my point to you is it's just this kind of media crap is out there, and it's freaking people out. Okay. So anyway, right here. All right, let me show you my beautiful chart. Okay. So I did this about midnight last night. I did a technical analysis video talking about how we've got a really nice pennant flag kind of coming up. This is our. Let me show you real quickly. Let me get my little trusty. There we go. So here's our low point. This was another low point before, another low point before, which sets kind of the baseline. I'll talk about this in a minute. Okay, and then I talked about the fact that we've got. We had kind of run up, run down, up, down, up, down, up, and we were testing these resistance levels right here. See, we tested this resistance level twice and kind of bounced back. Again, we tested our support level 3 different times and continued to bounce back. Okay, now I talked about in my video how we could, continue to kind of go up, and then, oh yay, we were going to go up from here. It was most likely going to look like it was going to move up. That didn't happen. This happened. Okay, this happened literally about 3 or 4 or 5 hours after my video. Why did this happen? I firmly believe it's directly correlated, there's your word of the day, correlated to this right here. The overall market is being pulled down and being sucked down by something going on. I firmly believe it has to do related. It relates back to the Wyckoff situation, the Wyckoff method I've been mentioning, and that I want you please to go watch. If you go watch and subscribe to the Coin Bureau, again, I'm not affiliated with him. He's massive. He's got hundreds of thousands of subs. He doesn't get anything out of me referring him any traffic. My point to you is that video is one that you really, really need to watch, because it's going to educate you on the overall kind of market scenario and really about, market manipulation and stuff like that. Because this, I firmly believe, guys, is what is happening, okay? I firmly believe that we're being pushed down even more, so we'll see how this continues to develop, guys. And, right now, I mean, we're looking at, what our current level is. I mean, we had set a really nice support level here. Where is it going to end? I mean, honestly, cards on the table, I could tell you 30 cents maybe, but if Bitcoin and Ethereum continue to go down, we're going to continue to go down with them. Is the market crashing, things like that? No, I really don't think it is. I think that this is market manipulation. I think that this is, I think that this is large institutional buying and selling transpiring in the overall crypto market to push prices down to basically get retail holders, retail investors to sell in a panic. That's what I think this is. Okay. Should you sell your Doge? I'm not. Okay. Because this pisses me off, and I'm gonna stay where I'm at. Yeah, I'm emotional about this, but I'm emotional about this because after watching the Wyckoff video I told you about, I was aware of it, but I've never seen it as clear and succinct as an explanation of it as I did yesterday. So I want you again to go watch it. I think that that's firmly what is going on here, guys, and yeah, I think that's what it is. I mean, if I'm looking at this overall, I think that we're being pushed down, and I think there's some market manipulation going on. All right, guys. Again, I'm not going to hide from you in the bad times, so to speak, in the down times. I'm going to be here front and center, bringing you my thoughts, my comments, what I think is going on. I think that that's where we're at, and I'm holding. I'm just going to stand pat. I'm not going to let the institutions pick up my shares, things of that nature. I always call them shares, you know that. I'm not going to let that happen. I'm going to stand. Do I have risk? Absolutely, right? But remember, I've said this all along. I put into crypto what I could afford to lose, and I'm also looking at this long term. Okay, flip this. Okay, you could be looking at this potentially as a buying opportunity. Am I telling you to go out and buy more Doge? It's not what I'm saying to you. Okay, that has to be up to you. It has to be the right choice, not investment advice, etc. But at this point, guys, there are opportunities to be had, because you always have to take a step back, take your emotions out of it, which I need to as well, and go, is the long-term viability of the crypto market intact? Heck yeah. Crypto market's not going away. It's a $1.6 trillion with a T, $trillion market, or whatever the latest market cap is. I need to go look at it on CoinMarketCap. In fact, if we go right here, yeah, I had it right, $1.6 trillion market cap. We are down 7.79 decrease, in the overall crypto market is down almost 8% in the overall market. Okay. And I think that's what's going on. I think it's market manipulation. All right, I'm going to end on that. I'll be here all day. See you. Bye.